Welcome to the ProDEP certificate tutorial. What we'll do is we'll navigate to the back end and navigate to components and ProDEP. So when you go into certificates, and let's go ahead and click in there, what's going to be displayed for you is all of the events from DT Register. It says it right here. So these are all the events, whether they're currently open for registration, whether they're closed for registration, whether registration isn't available yet but details are, etc. So what you're able to do here is you're able to put the PMI event number, which also translates to the activity number that you would get from PMI.org. You can enter that number in. It's straight text. State how many PDUs it's worth. Click Save and Close to make sure that the changes get saved and are updated to that line item, and you'll get a message up top stating changes have been saved. One thing you'll want to quickly check is you'll want to check to see if your edit template is actually edited. So let's go ahead and click into there. And what this does, by entering an event number and the PDUs, it allows you to create a template that is just a document for the members to log into the front end of the website and take a look at the confirmation of their attendance. So this editor is similar to a lot of editors you'll see in other areas. Go ahead and format. This is not what PMI Manitoba uses, it's just an example. But you're able to use the tags within here. So you would state member name completed this event name, and it was this event number. And that number is automatically populated from the number you just put on the front end, and it occurred on this event date. And then also here it's linked to how many PDUs. When you entered in 1 or 2 or whatever number you need to put in, it'll automatically link it to here. So then once you're done that, you would click Save and Close. It'll take you back to the list of the events. Oh, maybe it doesn't. But it lets you know the template has been saved. You can come back up here to the C panel. Go ahead and click C panel, and that'll take you back to the list of events within ProDEP certificates. And just for a clearer understanding of how this works is there's 2 parts to this. One, you would put your activity number here where it's requesting for the PMI event number. You'd place the PDUs in here. Make sure your template is set up, otherwise there'll be a blank sheet, and I'll show you that in a second. The second part to this is when you've navigated to DT Register, so here, DT Register, and you've gone to Records. You've pulled up a specific event, and once you've marked someone as attended, so currently Sarah Jean is marked as unattended because her status is colored red. As soon as I click that to state that, no, she actually was in attendance, we can confirm that, and I've updated the records area for that. If Sarah Jean were to log into her chapter website, and along the side navigation there's a user menu called My Registrations, and go into her My Registrations, she can now go, so let's say this is the Project of the Year chapter meeting, she can go and confirm and download this PDF here to prove if she ever were to be audited on her PDU submissions. She can come here, click on the PDF, view it, save it, file it. So this is just a value added for members. Currently this I know is blank and being worked on right now. They're working on the template, but that template or this sheet that would pull up, so right now again it's going to be blank, but it would be the template area that we were playing around with, or that you would need to update. So again, this is in the ProDEP area, and this is the certificate, sorry, and then edit template. So if this template that you saw here was actually saved in this area, you would see it here as well. And we'll just give it a couple of seconds to load up. So yeah, you would see this on this sheet here. But again, PMI Manitoba is in the process of updating that template currently. So it's just another value added to your members. It allows them to log into the front end of the website once their attendance is marked as attended, and the information has been placed in the PDU line item and the PMI event number, then the template will automatically populate for this PDF portion. Hope that makes sense. you.